From St. Louis Laboratory High School, his video entry about COVID-19 pandemic and the process of zoonosis or how virus transferred from animal to human made its way sa finals ng World Science Video Competition. Sino siya? We have Elmer for the segments.
Naimbag na malam kaka-aliens, ngayong hapon po makakausap natin at makikilala natin ang isang young achiever, a 17-year-old student from St. Louis Laboratory High School who made his science video to the finals of the Worldwide Video Competition. At para bigyan tayo ng idea and update kung ano ba itong competition na to, makakausap po natin via Zoom si Jeff Wincin Collado. So good afternoon, Jeff. And first of all, congratulations for making it sa finals, no? Kasali dito yung 202 countries and nakapasok ka sa top 15. Congratulations. So, Jeff, bigyan mo naman kami ng information about dun sa science video entry mo.
The Breakthrough Junior Challenge po is a competition for students ages 13 to 18 wherein we create 3-minute videos that explains a scientific theory po.
Yung title ng video mo is Zoonotics, no? Bakit yun yung title ng video and ano yung purpose ng video na ginawa mo?
My video explains po kasi kung paano nag-transfer ang virus from animals to humans. And I think it is very relevant since recent studies show na COVID-19 ay nanggaling daw sa bats. So I think it's an eye-opener for humans na ma-realize nila na may part tayo kung bakit nangyayari to sa mundo ngayon. And I hope to inspire people to treat wildlife cautiously.
Online classes again? Yeah, and why don't those animals keep their viruses to themselves?
Yeah!
Whoops! Before a teacher goes online, I want to remind you guys that it's not their fault.
What?
Yup, let me introduce you to zoonotic spillovers. To start off, viruses are pathogenic agents that contain genetic material like DNA in RNA. They're not cells nor bacteria, so they cannot be treated with antibiotics. The passing of a pathogen, like a virus, from one species to another is called a spillover. Specifically, if this pathogen took a spillover from an animal to a human, the disease is called zoonosis or zoonotic disease. In fact, 6 out of every 10 infectious diseases in people are zoonotic. Now let's track how a virus takes a zoonotic spillover and how human intervention enables it. Viruses replicate to survive. When the virus can replicate in the cells without harming the host organism, this makes the host a reservoir. The reservoir host distribution and density become crucial factors. This means that the more packed these animals are, the higher the chance for viruses to survive. So just imagine wet markets wherein each animal has the potential to serve as a reservoir. That's why experts have traced that wet markets in recent pandemics are linked. Out of the first 41 patients of COVID-19, 27 have been reported to have visited one in Wuhan, China. After a reservoir, the virus needs an exposure. Exposure can be a direct contact, such as being bitten or having contact with body fluids of infected animals. Indirect contact involves contact with surfaces that are contaminated. Vector-borne involves vectors such as mosquitoes. Foodborne entails ingestion of unsafe food such as raw meat. And waterborne involves contact with contaminated water. These are common in wildlife trade and consumption. Also, deforestation drives animals like rodents into human environments. Next is a breakthrough, in which the virus overcomes barriers like compatibility and immune response of humans. If successful, the virus can reach transmission and tipping point. Spillovers are rare because there are barriers and oftentimes certain factors don't match. All factors and barriers need to be in place so that spillover may occur. Like how keys open locks, a specific pattern enables it to pass and open the lock. Let's put it this way. If you were given one lock and a bunch of keys, more attempts will increase your chances of finding the perfect key, just like how more human intervention gives spillovers a greater chance to occur. All it needs is for the perfect key to open the lock. Though the occurrence of viruses cannot easily be stopped and we rely on animals for resources, it's time for us humans to take action and be more cautious on dealing with wildlife.
And balita ko yung members nung selection committee ay mga astronauts, CEOs, scientists. So ano ba yung mga criteria nila?
Actually, meron pong 4 traits na tinitignan nila sa video namin. It's engagement. Number 2 is illumination, creativity, and last is yung difficulty.
Bilang isang kabataan, Jeff, ano yung gusto mong message sa mga kagaya mo na student and yung mga kabataan na may ideas din katulad mo?
I think po, never doubt yourself. Actually, I joined this competition in 2018 and I lost po. Noong 2019 po, as in hindi po ako pumasok ulit. So, ayun, nag-denout yung sarili ko. And this 2020, if hindi ko pinush yung sarili ko to actually join again, hindi ko mararating tong point na to. So, ang gusto ko pong sabihin is never doubt yourself. Always believe in yourself. And as long as you can, do it.
Ayon kay Jeff, bukod sa pag-embrace sa new normal na hatid ng kanyang video, ay gusto rin niyang inform ang ating mga kakailian na ang kabataan ay talagang pag-asa ng bayan. At ang zoonotic spillovers ay mabisang paraan niya not just to inform but to inspire. And to all the students and youth na may ideas katulad ni Jeff, you have to write it, make it happen, and innovate. I'm Elmer for Innovating with Style.
Oh, yeah.